Hi, everybody. This is Reverend Essie on Tuesday, May 27th, I believe, of 2025, the day after Memorial Day. You're not going to believe what I felt like doing today, and I'll show you piece by piece. And here is a little peek of what I've been doing, and it's my handmade recipe. I'm sorry, I can tell you how I did it, but this is how it came out. I just took it out the oven. There it is. And as you can see, I want to show you something. This used to be bright red, and it got its use. It used to be bright red. It cooked today, and it's cast iron. So I made this bread. Let me see if I can take it out of here now while I'm talking to you guys. Let's see. I made this bread by hand. Give me 1 second. Let's see if I can take it out while I'm talking to you guys. Yeah. Oh, that was just in time. Almost lost it. Woo! And there it is. Sorry, I left this on for just for let you know what I was doing. And there, that's huge. Look how nice. I wish I could get it. Hold on, let me see if I can get in a different angle. There we go. That's close. And sounds good. And it's tender. You can see that's tender. Believe it or not, guys, this is a Sprite cake. I mean, a Sprite bread. You can make bread with, people use Coca-Cola and stuff like that. This was made with Sprite. It's kind of hot. Let me see if I can. There we go. Let me see if I can get the bottom real quick. It's going to be fast. There we go. That's what it should look like. That's it. And you're not going to believe what my daughter did. I guess she smelled it downstairs. She came upstairs, and honey, that child took out some butter. See the butter in the background? She took out some butter. She said she's going to have some butter for her cake. For her bread. Oh, still can't see it? There it is. We use one of those little Tupperware bowls or something. But there it is. And I will try to write the recipe underneath it because I'm not one of those kind of cooks that measure. So I'll try to write the recipe underneath this video. God bless.